Okay.
So is it going?
Mm-hmm.
The thumb's going to be on G here. 3 black keys, it's between the bottom 2. G, sol, do, re, mi, fa, sol. And so here's the Ode to Joy. And you can stop at any stopping place. I'll give you the first stop sign. It starts on 3 on the mi. Mi, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, and hold, re, re. Mi, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi. Good place to stop, but I'll go on. Re, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, mi, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, finally, G. Mi, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, re, and ho, do, do. So that's the soul that just waits for its turn. There we go.